Basic English Course Day 3 Test. Find the V2 and V3 forms of the following irregular verbs. Note your answers first, then I'll let you know the correct answers. Find, steal, fall, take, fly, grow, forget. These are the answers. Find, found, found. Steal, stole, stolen. Fall, fell, fallen. Take, took, taken. Fly, flew, flown. Grow, grieve, grown. Forget, forgot, forgotten. Sing, come, run, swim, eat, drink, hit, sing, sang, sung. Come, came, come. Run, ran, run. Swim, swam, swum. Eat, ate, eaten. Drink, drank, drunk. Hit, hit, hit. See, do, hide, drive, choose, make, sell. See, saw, seen. Do, did, done. Hide, hid, hidden. Drive, drove, driven. Choose, chose, chosen. Make, made, made. Sell, sold, sold. Let me know your score in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the new videos. If you have enjoyed this test, click the like button and share it to others as well. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.